Todoist tutorial time blocking. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Todoist website. Once you're on the home page, go to the top right corner and select Login. You can continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple, or simply enter your own email. After logging in, head to the top left and open the Settings menu. You can find the Calendars tab, usually at the bottom tab. Now connect Todoist to Google Calendar. Choose the same Google account you use for Todoist. Follow the step-by-step instructions to authorize the sync. Once connected, make sure to enable Sync Tasks to Calendar and Sync All-Day Tasks. Now open your Google Calendar. Make sure you are logged in to your Google Calendars account. Click on any empty space to start creating a new event. You can choose more options to customize further. Say your title, date, and time, and whether the task should repeat. In event details, you can add a Google Meet link, location, notifications, and a description. You can also add guests and manage guest permissions. Finally, return to Todoist to see your sync schedule for today.